Well, Karthik has been brought in from the other end, from the far end. Karthik, a right arm medium pacer, strongly built lad. I think all the work that he's done in the gym is really showing on the screen.
Yeah, rightly mentioned, really a strong man, Karthik. He's about to bowl from the far end, but on strike is going to be Sandy for Bengal Tigers. Another strong man, one has to say.
I think from the look of it, you can see some David Boone in him.
Nicely said, Sanjay. Yeah, definitely. Looks to be a bit bulky. Going to be interesting how much power he's got in his strokes. At the moment, the first delivery phase, not timing it too well.
Well, it's going to be a tough task for the Bengal Tigers. They need to get to 60 in the first 6 overs.
That's played well in the gap as well. That racing away. This is a quick outfield and you get value for your shots. He's off the mark as well now, Sandy, and in style.
Such a beautiful shot that, using the pace of the ball on top of it, rolling the wrist over it. It's a brilliantly executed covered square cut.
Yeah, any top batsman would be very pleased with the efforts. Definitely the way Sandy executed that shot. Bengal supporters were delighted, one and all. This is exactly what he's got to do, time and again. They need a flurry of boundaries to begin with.
Well, that's a good straight bat. Chance of a direct hit, and I think it's gone. That's the quality of cricket that Karnataka Bulldozers are capable of. Rajiv on that occasion picking the ball nicely and aiming for a direct hit and getting his stumps down in one action.
Well, Rajiv is having a tremendous game this one. Did a great job with the bat, but just see that effort on the field. Very nicely played on that occasion by Sandy. But just see, picking it up and throwing the stumps, and he was well shot. He was well shot of the crease and he's delighted, and why not? The first wicket falling for Bengal Tigers. The man out Sandy for 4. It's 8 for 1.
Well, one down the leg side on this occasion. Nicely played. It's played fine. Gone for a boundary. That's a classical opening batsman shot. Again using the pace of the ball on the leg side.
Yeah, Karthik on that occasion just erring in his line down the pad line. And those are easy pickings for the batsman, Joy. The second boundary for him. And that's a very good strike as well. Just helping the ball on its way. Good leg glance and playing it very fine. The placement was the key. They have lost an early wicket, Bengal Tigers, but now they need a good partnership up front. That's going to be very important for them. In fact, imperative.
Oh, that's a good straight delivery. But Ajay, if you have noticed one thing, I think they have choreographed the scenes of their success. I think this, the dance steps that everybody is following. Raja, he did a jig when he took a couple of wickets when he was bowling, and even the Bulldozers, they are bringing some jig for their moments of success.
Yeah, and this was the wicket to fall, the only wicket so far. Sandy doing it very nicely, but an excellent piece of work in the field by Rajiv, hitting the stumps, and that was the key. Once again getting some shape. That's the end of the over. After 2, it's 12 for 1. Now there is appeal as far as another run out is concerned. Both the umpires is refereeing. It's all happening here.
What has happened here is that the ball has gone back to the keeper. The umpire has called over, and after he has called over, Sujit has aimed for the stump. So the umpires have rightly consulted between the two of them and given the decision in the batsman's favour.
Yeah, rightly said. Although he was out of the crease, but the ball is dead because he was just walking to the other batsman. That's the reason it hasn't been declared for the fielding side.